Good afternoon, students. Today is our first lab. In our first experiment, we have the familiarization with the networking equipment. And in the first lab, we have the three networking equipments are there. The first one is the LAN adapter. The second one is the router, and third one is the switch. Let's first start with the PPT. What is LAN adapter? Look at the diagram that is on the right side. It is a LAN adapter. LAN adapter basically is used to connect the internet with your system. And at the left side, we have the new LAN adapter in which we first one side we have the port. That port is simply inserted in your laptops or systems, and on the second edge, we simply add the internet cable on that. But what is LAN adapter? Basically, a LAN adapter is an extension board that is used to connect a computer or computing devices to a network. What it means, whenever we want to connect our system, laptop, anything with the internet, we require a LAN adapter. LAN adapter stands for local area network. Here, a network interface controller is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to the computer network. Early network interface controllers were commonly implemented on the extension cards that plugged into a computer bus. In the previously, we simply plugged into simply we can implement the controllers on the expansion cards. That card that is inside your cabinet and simply plugged into the computer buses. But nowadays, we simply use a LAN adapter to connect our system with the computer networks, with other computers, or whenever we want to connect our system with the internet. So this is all about the local area network adapter. Now the second is called the switch. Switch is a device in a computer network that connects other devices. Multiple data cables are plugged into a switch to enable the communication between the different network devices. What it means, basically, switch is used to connect the multiple systems at the same time. We have a number of switches are there, starting from the 1 into 4 switch to the 1 into 24 switches. Means that depends upon the number of slots that are available on the switch. Basically, just look at the diagram. We have a switch of D-Link as the company which provides the switches, and look at the nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and 12 plus 12, 24. What it means, this switch is capable of adding a 24 different systems into a single system. This is all about the switch. Now the last one is the router. A router is a simple example that you all have the internet connection in your homes. You have the router that is placed at your homes. This is a simple router which enables the internet in our homes and offices. Clear? So just as a switch connects the multiple devices to create a network, a router connects multiple switches. What is the functioning of router? It creates multiple switches and their respective networks to form an even larger network. Whenever we want to make a large network, we are adding the switches. Now, whenever we are going to combine all the different switches to make a larger network, then we require a router. With the help of router, we are eligible to add the number of or the multiple switches into a single network. These networks may be in a single location or across the multiple locations. When building a small business network, you will need one or more router. What it means, whenever you want to make a connection in a building, then you require more than one router is there because or the number of switches you required over there. Basically, a switch is used to connect the multiple devices. Suppose I have the 1 into 12 switches available over with me. So what I can do there, I can add the 12 different systems with the help of one switch in a single network. Suppose I want to add the number of more systems, then the number of switches are there, and I want to connect these number of switches with the help of router. We are unable to connect the number of switches into a single network. So this is all about the first experiment where we have the three different networking equipments are there. This is all about the apex and the introduction about these networking devices. Now I'm going to share the camera and show you how physically they looks like and how they are different from each other. First, we have a LAN adapter is here. Basically, right now we have two LAN adapters. First, we are discussing this. Look at this. This is the LAN adapter. Here, here we can add the internet cable. Look at this. The LAN adapter looks like this. We have the internet cable over there. We simply look at the slot. The slot is there. And now we can simply add the internet cable. Basically, this is placed in your systems. Like this, you have the ports in your laptops. But actually, how it looks like, it is basically expansion board. Look at this. It is an expansion board is there. The expansion board is there, and it is a, you can say it is called a LAN adapter. A board is there, a number of circuits are there which can sends the information that is received by this part to the system, and now this information is given to the next area. This is called the local area network adapter. The LAN adapter is there. Now we have the two types of LAN adapter. It is a wired. Now also we have the wireless adapter. How? Look at this. Only the single difference is there. Look at the difference. Look at your screens. Here we have the check where we can insert the wire, but in the case of we can insert the wire, but in the case of wireless LAN adapter, we can't have that insert jack because it is a wireless. We have an antenna over there which can receive or send the signals. Basically, this is implemented in a board like this. You only able to see this part. This part is visible to you, but this part is not visible to anyone, and this is called a wireless LAN adapter, where we have not an inserted port as there, and we have an antenna over this. This is all about the LAN. So next is, now we have a switch. Look at this. This is called a switch. First I show you this. These are the number of ports. Look at this: LAN 1, LAN 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it means, we have the 8 different ports. Here we can insert the cable, or if you want to add a number of systems, you can simply insert a cable over there. Look at this. One cable is there. Suppose we have the number of cables. It depends upon the number of slots. Look at this. The number of slots are there, in which we can add the 8 different systems at the same time with the help of this switch. This is a 1 into 8 switch. Now we have another example of switch is there. This one. This is the bigger one, as shown in the diagram. As shown in the diagram, look at this. You can see the tailings is there. As shown in the diagram, we have the 24 slots are there. So what it means, we are going to add the different 24 systems in the single switch. Like here, we have the different ports. We are going to add the number of systems like this. We have the 24 ports. We are going to add the 24 different systems along with this slots. Now look at here. The numbering is there: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the lengths, and look at there. These are the lights. Lights means how, whether these 24 slots they are working or not. They can blink the light over there. This is a 24 slots switch. Clear? I think that is clear to you. And now the last one is the router. As we discussed earlier, a router is a simply, look at this. A router is simple, that is used in your home networks also. We have a port over there. Port is there. What do we have to done? Simply the cable that comes from outside our home network, that is inserted over there. This is a switch on and off button is there. Now whenever we are pulling that, the power is applied on here. The power is on over here, and now this router generates a signal, and these signals can be accepted by any of the laptop or the system who is capable of receiving the wireless network. So this is called a network. Now at last, I'm just going to explain everything. These are the LAN adapters. We have the different LAN adapters over there. Wireless wire. We have the 8 port switches over there. Now we have the 64 switch port is there. So this is all about the networking equipments